Are you struggling with the Roblox app freezing on your PC after the latest update? Don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get back to gaming in no time. First, try closing the app and reopening it. Sometimes, a quick restart is all it takes to resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, consider restarting your device. To do this, click on the Windows icon, then select the power icon. Choose Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, turn your PC back on by pressing the power button. This simple step can often clear out any temporary issues. Next, try connecting to a different network. In the notifications area, click on the network icon and select a different network. Sometimes connectivity issues can cause the app to freeze. Don't forget to check your internet connection. Again, from the notifications area, click the network icon and ensure your network is working properly. A stable connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Start by pressing the Windows icon and typing Uninstall App. Find the Roblox app in the list, click on the 3 dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the action when prompted. Once it's uninstalled, head over to roblox.com/download. Click on Download for Windows. This will direct you to the Microsoft Store page. Finally, click on Install to get the latest version of the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the freezing issue and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.